What's up guys? Daisy here and today we are going to Mt.Mago. Okay guys, so nagsakay kami yung habal-habal. So we made it here in Barangay Santican. So this is the drop-off point going to Mt.Mago. Sakit kaya akong lubot. Nagsakay kong habal-habal. According to them, it will take 30 to 40 minutes going to the peak. Bye! Sleepy siya. Oh, doggy doggy! It's already 5:30 in the afternoon and we are now heading to the peak. Matang ko! Bibiyaan ako sa mga kauban. This is actually my first time to go to Mago. So that's why I'm already hangat good ko. Mahurot ako hangin. Hey guys, made it here in Mt.Mago na eh. Di pa di ay, pero ari may magpatukod sa mountain. Magpatukod yun. We're preparing for our dinner. So we have fish inside the can. Laisyo. Fish inside the can. Sardines inside the can.
Luto may tinulang manok na lewa.
Humot na kayo siya. Kasi nag-ingon ako nakasbook, di ka pwede kaluto og baboy na nilatitan. Mga onami.
Nakakatawa. Ano mag-ito yun? Tubig.
Tawa sabi. Maraming kaon, nag-pictorial me with
Hello. Nagkakaninipot.
Pretty ka siya, Bresh.
oh, char. Campfire over the mountain. Okay, so this ends our day 1 here in Mt.Mago. So tomorrow we'll go to the peak and then call it a night. I'm gonna sleep now. Good night. Good morning, guys. Just woke up. It's day 2 here in Mt.Mago. It's so cold. Nag-fogged siya as in.
Hello.
Nice here. I just see some trash here. I just hope that if ever maaari mangyari po Mt.Mago or please lang leave no trace, be a responsible climber because it's a beautiful place, but then some people are just too stubborn to just throw their trash anywhere. Good morning, Floor. Brush 3 times a day. Shake.
I-let go na lang siya.
Very good. Shake. Prepare me some breakfast here. Breakfast is ready. Thank you, Floor, for preparing for our breakfast.
Wamay oil.
Ovel?
Oil.
Wala ovel? Guys, nga ta! Malamig breakfast. And right now, we're just enjoying the view. Mt.Mago. Let's go! I've been hiking for about 20 minutes now and kapoy na ko akong tilis, nagkurog-kurog na. Shake. Charot. Look at the sky, it's so blue. Woo. Look at the view, guys. It's really nice. We're now here at the boundary of 3 towns, which is the town of Carmen, Danao and Tuburan. So as you can see, we have here Tuburan, Carmen. So this part is Carmen, this part is Tuburan, and this part is Danao's part. And here, mauna to siya. So ako kay kapoy lagi ko, dali kay sila manglakaw. We're almost there. So let's go! Init kaya guys, uy! Kayawan ko ni, kaya nung disugdan. Lisod yun yung dako na tag lawas ay kaya lisod kaya lakaw yun as in. Hi!
Kani adto mga 1964. Kaninda na wala pa yun ni. Kana inyo mga apuhan daw. Ako ng classmate. Kani, gisubay ginoy namo. Lapos ginis Tuburan. Piting kapuya oy. Nasugatan gumigbuay.
Pila naman imo edad tay?
Nakalimot ko, wala pa yung multiply sa una. Isuwat pa sa uling.
Sana ako tay?
Di man, baby face man. Sorry kayo.
Finally made it here at the peak of Mt.Mago. Oh my god, it's really amazing. Okay guys, so if you're planning to go to Mago, make sure to wear comfortable shoes and make sure to have a sunscreen kay init gid kaayo. And then what else?
Ng leggings.
Leggings kay daghan kayo ka naman.
Katol kayo.
Yes.
Nangatol na akong lawong.
Oh. Worth it kayo. Nindot kayo ang view. 5 na lang pretty pa dong langit. So we're finally done here in the peak of Mt.Mago, and now we'll go down and go back to the highway. Let's go! Guys, it's so nice. Look at the view. Lahat ng nakikita mo, akin lahat ng yan. Papamana ko yan sa iyo balang araw. I think we're lost. Pero that's part of adventure, di ba guys?
Left, right, left. Yes.
So muddy. I think we're almost there because I already see some houses here and also there. Hello! So we're now here in the entrance of the cave. Sila kay murag mo ato sila dito pero I think dili lang ko mag-go kay muddy and slimy and slippery. Sorry lang ko diri. So guys, it's really nice there. I recommend. Pero joke na bitaw, wala ko nito. Joke. So it's already 1 p.m. Gutom na gid kaayo. They're still inside the cave. We just stayed here outside because I'm afraid that my camera will get wet. So yeah. How's your
experience inside the cave?
Fabulous.
Char. How about you, Gab?
The water is so cold. It's so refreshing.
Wow.
I like it.
Congratulations for surviving. Small but terrible. The survivor. Palit ka, ma'am? Dose lang, ma'am. Deliver sa ano ah? Ang delivery fee kay 1,000 pesos. Ahay, kubo, kahit munti, upot kalabasa. Butong. It's only 10 pesos. Fresh from the tree pagid ni siya. So, let's see. Let's taste the item. Let's see. So refreshing. Lamig siya. Hello doggies! They're eating buko. Cute sila. Finally, naabot na gyud mi no. Ikan mi sa Mt.Mago. Ayun, sakit na gid kay akong bagtak, akong legs, akong tiil. Pero worth it na gid ang tanan. So, I recommend Mt.Mago. It's really nice. The ambience is nice, the view. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. See you guys on my next food adventure and travel